Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to print checks in QuickBooks Online, step by step for 2025, so you can handle payments the right way. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and click plus sign now on the left menu. Under vendors, choose print checks. If you haven't set up check printing yet, QuickBooks will ask you to align your checks. Follow the on-screen setup to match your printer layout. Next, select the bank account where the checks are from. Check the box inside each check you want to print. Click Preview and Print to preview everything before confirming. Load your check paper into your printer. Make sure it's aligned correctly. Then click Print Checks. Once printed, confirm by marking them as printed so QuickBooks updates your records automatically. And that's it. Your checks are now printed and recorded in QuickBooks Online. Super easy, fast, and ready to use for 2025.